Hey, it's final assembly day of the Bo Diddley box guitar. The box is together and it's got a coat of Watco on it. I've got the neck assembly, I've got some tuning pegs. I made a bridge out of maple. And I've got some GHS boomers, which are awesome for boomer bends.
We're talking about boomer bends.
With the tuning gears on and the neck attached, I'm going to figure out where the bridge goes. This is a 17-inch scale, so I'm going to measure from the nut. Just put a little mark here at 17 and do it super lightly so that I can erase it later. Unfortunately, the bridge covers up a little bit of the graphic. I'm not going to glue the bridge in place yet. I'm going to put the strings on and hold it and make sure the intonation is correct before I take it off and glue it down. I know it's going to have good tone because it's got a tone knob. Sweet.